Welcome to the only course in the world that can teach anyone from a stay-at-home parent to IT professional on how to make money in cybersecurity. This easy to understand online instructor-driven course shows you the easy steps in the $1 trillion a year industry.
Cyber criminals are causing losses worth hundreds of billions of dollars.
And the fact that there's more money made in cybercrime now than in drug trafficking.
Digits.
And what kind of people, by the way, are you hiring for that? Are these all engineers? What kind of
No, in fact,
talent is required?
it's everything from, actually people out of high school or in 2-year degrees to much more sophisticated people who are doing advanced threat intelligence.
I'm a college professor, so kids come up all the time and they say, oh, hey, prof, hey, can I make money in cyber? How much can I make? Like, if you're really good at this and you want to work for a company or government place or something like that doing cyber, within X number of years, you could probably make about $100,000 doing cybersecurity. Now, you want to go up or down from that. Going up from that, unfortunately, usually means you're going to either have to get into management or you're going to have to take some risk and go maybe start a company.
So if you're looking to make money from home or starting your own cybersecurity company, this course is for you.